Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Warzone 3 GPU driver version error message. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's just go ahead and go to our search bar and type in system updates. Okay, click on check for updates. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go ahead and click on check for updates. Now, if you have available updates right here, just go to download it, install it. Once done, don't restart your computer yet. Go ahead over to advanced options. Now click on optional updates. And here, if you have any available optional updates, make sure to install everything, okay? Download and install. Once that's done, restart your computer and check the game if it helps. Now, if that still will work, go to your search bar, type in device manager, click on device manager. This window will open. Go ahead and go to display adapters. Select your respective graphics card. Could be AMD, Intel, or NVIDIA, okay? Right click on it. Click on update. Now search automatically for drivers. Now if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, just go back, click on browse, click on let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now go ahead and select your graphics card's signature, okay? Once that's done, just hit on next, wait for the process to finish, and in the process, your display will reset, okay? So it will go black. Don't worry, it's totally normal. So once that's done, just close this one, okay? Now go ahead and restart your computer first. Once done, launch Warzone and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.